What's up, WUWP? Today we're going to be learning how to make paper snowflakes. So what you're going to need for this is 7 pieces of paper, some scissors, a roll of tape, and later on we're going to be using a stapler. So let's get to it. Alright, so first you're going to take your first piece of paper and you're going to take it and you're going to fold it like this. So you have something that looks kind of like this. Then you're going to take it and you're going to cut off the edge that has only one little strip of paper on it. Alright, so you should have something that looks like this now. And you're going to fold that in half. Like that. And you're going to take your tape, and I like to put a little piece of tape to make sure the two sides stick together so when you're cutting, they don't fall apart and you get uneven cuts. Alright, so once you have that done, you're going to take your scissors and you're going to take it so you have it like this. So the corner's right here. You're going to take your scissors and you're going to cut a line, but you're not going to go all the way, just so it's a little flap like that. And you're going to keep doing that all the way up until you reach the end of the piece of paper. Alright, so I'm going to finish doing this and then I'll get back to you when I'm done. Alright, so I have all mine cut and I've taken the tape off. So now what you're going to do is you're going to unfold it so you can have all of your tabs open so it's like a square with a bunch of cuts in it. It's kind of hard to open because I made so many cuts, and you don't have to. You can make like 4, but I like to make mine really big. So, alright, so there we go. I have it unfolded. It'll look like this, like a diamond shape. So what you're going to do next, you're going to take your tape, and what you're going to do, you're going to take a tiny piece, only about this big, so it's very tiny, and then you're going to take the 2 center flaps in your snowflake. You're going to take them and you're going to fold them in like this. You're going to take your tape, you're going to put it on like that, and then you're going to fold these 2 in so you make a roll. And then you're going to fold that like that so it'll look like that. And you're going to flip it over, and you're going to take your snowflake, you're going to take another small piece of tape, and you're going to take the next 2 flaps next to it, and you're going to do the exact same thing. You're going to flip them over like that. You're going to curl them like that, and you're going to flip them, and then you're going to tape them together like that. And you're going to flip it over and do the same with these 2 tabs, and you're going to keep flipping it over and repeating that same process. So I'm going to finish that, and then I'll get back to you guys. Okay, so once you got that one done, you're going to need to make 6 more of those. So I'm going to go and do that, and I'll get back to you when I have them all made. Alright, so I'm back, and I have all of the 7 thingies completed. And so what I've done with these here is, so let me tilt this so I can show you guys. So I've stapled these 3 together at the top right here, like that, as you can see right there. And then I took the 2 outer ones like that, and I stapled them together on each one so it stays together. Okay, so it should be together at the top, and then there's a staple in between them both. So there's a staple down right here, of course, and right here, and right here. So that's where your staples are going to be. So I have made this one, then I have another one, except I used 4 of them for this one, and you just do the same thing except with 4. So then once you have that done, you're going to take them both, and you're going to put them together like this. Put them together like that. So you have the tips facing each other like that. All right. So I have them stapled together now, right there in the middle. So it's kind of tangled up right now, but okay. So there we go. That's all stapled together like that. And so then again, you're going to take the sides and staple them together so it looks like they're part of the same thing. And there we go. So my snowflake is complete. And to hang it up, you just attach some string to the top of it. And so when you're done, I'm going to hold it up so you can see. It'll look like this. So there's my snowflake, and I hope you enjoyed this video on how to make them. And please like and subscribe to What's Up WUWP, and bye.